In one of the workshops that I did for Unilever, it was such an exciting thing to see how leaders really received that kind of information that came through, because we are talking about emotional intelligence and leading with empathy. And what does it take for a leader to lead at a human level? Because sometimes we think that we are just logical beings, when in fact we are more emotional than we are logical. So how do we really connect those dots? Because when you talk about those leaders who are really able to lead at an emotional level, at a human level, because you understand that there's a person behind that employee that you have. It's not just a model. It's not just a thing that you are pushing, but it's a human being. So when you look at these things, we have a bouquet of these options. We have a Neuro-Leaders Toolkit that you can be able to pick any of the interventions from, whether we're talking about how to receive feedback, talking about the 3 musketeers of peak performance, talking about understanding the human brain, talking about how to build a psychological safe workplace. Those are just a few from a Neuro-Leaders Toolkit. So you can also get to hear from many of our happy clients that we have worked with. Now it's your turn. Let's get this thing together. Let's empower your people. Let's empower your leaders. Let's empower your employees. Because when you do that, you are saying thank you to them. And you are enabling them to bring their best selves to work. So the time to join hands is now.
My name is Matuba Mahlenchangase. I work for Unilever. I'm a site director for the Khanyisa plant, Khanyisa liquids plant. It's been a very great experience today. Thank you to Uveli. We've learned a lot as a team, gained a lot of experience. One of the key takeouts for me is all about creating human leaders, right? We talk about leadership, but we don't really understand the depth of what leadership means and how to become not just a corporate leader, but leading at a human level and really connecting to who people are at grassroots level. So thank you very much to Velindaba. We really appreciate his time. I encourage anyone who really wants to understand what leadership is and the key functions of human behavior and how to influence people positively to be part of the session. Invite Uveli to come uplift you as a team on how you become better leaders, but not only better leaders, but better leaders leading at human level. Thank you.
To engage us further on our services, keynotes, workshops, coaching, and merchandise, visit our website, velindaba.com.